Welcome everyone, I would like to show you how to get AltStore in your iOS 16, iPhone or iPad. Older iOS firmwares can also watch this video, most likely newer firmwares as well. You will need access to either a Windows or Mac computer, so I'm going to move to my computer and I'll show you the next steps. For Windows users only, head over to the first link in the description. You will see here the Windows 64-bit iTunes download. Even if you have iTunes, just click on the direct download link right here. Wait for the download to finish and then set up the exe file. Do the same for iCloud. Even if you have it downloaded, just download it anyway again and then wait for it to finish and then set up both exe files. Once you have set up iTunes and iCloud in your Windows computer, you must restart the PC. If you don't restart the computer, there's going to be error code. Don't cry to me in the comments. Next, we need to download AltServer. So you'll see here the macOS download and the Windows download. Just click for your operating system. Note the requirements: Windows 10 or later, or macOS 14.4 or later, okay? Then, once you have the download finished, you should see here altinstaller.zip. This is for Windows. So if you have a Windows, double click on the .zip and you just want to extract the files, okay? Once the files are extracted, you will see here altinstaller.msi and setup.exe. Just double click in the setup.exe and use that for AltServer to install in your Windows computer. Now if you have a Mac, you will see AltServer.zip. Double click into this one and then all you do is you drag and drop AltServer into the applications folder. Nice and easy. So from here on Windows or Mac, you just want to search up for AltServer. You should see it right here as long as you did the earlier steps and it should open up. You just click on open right here. So on Mac it shows up at the top right hand side, on Windows it will show at the bottom right hand side. Do keep in mind that in the Windows you may need to click on an arrow key at the bottom right hand side to see the AltServer icon. Now we need to open up Finder on the Mac or iTunes in the Windows computer. We're going to find our device right here on iTunes. It will show up where my cursor is near the top. And if you don't see your device, you will need to again plug it in. You may also need to go to the home screen and tap on the Trust pop-up. So from here, we're going to scroll all the way down and we see here, show this iPhone when on Wi-Fi. We're going to click into this toggle to turn this one on and we'll click on apply right here. On Windows, this may say allow this iPhone to sync over Wi-Fi. It doesn't matter, just click on the tick and click on apply. For macOS users only, we need to click on install mail plugin, and you will be asked to enter in your passcode right here. Then you want to open up the mail app. I recommend you right click, quit, then reopen. Then you're going to click into the mail at the top left, preferences. You'll find manage plugins. Click on alt plugin.mail bundle, allow access, and then apply and restart the mail app. Now we can install AltStore. So click on the AltServer icon, find install AltStore. You should see your device right here. If you don't see your device, just restart the computer. Click into your device and now you need to enter in your Apple ID and password. If you don't trust AltStore for whatever reason, do keep in mind their code is open source, meaning you can look at the code, how AltServer and AltStore works. If you still don't trust them, you can always create a burner Apple ID. I created this burner Apple ID here, and it's also an Apple ID which I monitor, so if you're on iMessage, there you go. So click on install here and you just want to wait for AltServer to install the AltStore app into your iPhone, iPad or whatever device you have. We now see here installation succeeded. If you got any error, just restart your computer, try everything again, also restart your iPhone as well. Once AltStore has been sideloaded, when you try and open it, you're going to get this Untrusted Developer message. So to fix this, I want you to open up the Settings app. And then from here, you're going to find General. And then from here, you're going to find VPN and Device Management. You're going to tap into the Developer app. Then tap on Trust. Trust again. And now you should be able to open up the AltStore. If you get this error code here saying Developer Mode Required, that means you're on iOS 16 or later. If you're on iOS 15 or older, this app should open up successfully. So skip about 30 seconds into the video to find the next steps. But for iOS 16 and later, we need to open up the Settings app. We then need to find Privacy and Security. We're then going to find Developer Mode at the very bottom. And we're going to tap on the toggle to turn on Developer Mode. and then we'll see here restart. Just tap on restart. After the restart, you'll see this turn on developer mode. Simply tap on turn on, and now AltStore will open up without any errors. You'll see AltStore would like to find and connect to devices on your local network. Very important, you tap on allow for that one. Notifications, tap on don't allow, or if you must, tap on allow. Then we need to go to settings. We're going to find here sign in with Apple ID, and it will load up this page. If this page does not load up, very important, you must be on the same Wi-Fi network on your iPhone as your computer. If that still doesn't work, just connect your iPhone to the computer and then you'll be good to go. Now we need to enter in an Apple ID and password. Use the same details as you used to sideload AltStore. Now you'll see this how this works page. Just tap on got it. Okay, so we now need to sideload our apps. So you will need to find a website with your IPA files of choice. So I have this here, the INDS IPA. This is a Nintendo DS emulator. So I'll just tap on the IPA file to download it, and I'll tap on download. Now you just want to tap on the downloads icon, downloads, and you should see the IPA files. Just tap on the search and you'll be brought to the direct directory. So from here, in order to sideload the app with AltStore, you long press on your IPA files, you tap on share, and then you see here AltStore, you just tap into AltStore, and just like that, your IPA file of choice will now sideload. The sideload has worked successfully for me. If you get any errors, just connect your device to the computer and then try again. So now we have the brand new INDS app on the home screen and it's opening up successfully. But real quick, before we leave the video, AltStore and its apps will stop working in 7 days. You see this one right here, which means you have to refresh the apps. How do you do that? Long press on any empty space in your home screen, then tap on the plus. You're going to find AltStore, tap on this one, and then add a small widget to your home screen. It will show you how long before your applications expire. When this gets to 3 days or 2 days, tap on the widget. You will see refresh all. Just tap on refresh all, and then this will refresh your applications. If you do not refresh your apps in time, that's okay. You will have to repeat the process to sideload AltStore, and once AltStore is sideloaded, you will not lose your app data. Just tap on refresh all, and then all of the applications you sideloaded will also be fixed, and you will not again lose any of your app data. So with that being said, thanks for watching. See you guys later. Bye bye.